professor or whatever you're called. I want you to start talking because your evil deeds have been exposed.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me even shock you the more. We have your accomplice. The boy you send around town killing people. Which means you are not just a murderer, you are also a cultist. So start talking, else we'll be forced to take this matter beyond your territory.
Officer, please don't expose me. Please, I beg of you. My career is at stake here. Please, I beg of you. Officer, we can talk this out. I can give you money. I can settle you. Please, I beg of you. It's not, please, let us reason as men. I fought so hard to get this professorship. I fought hard. Please don't let me lose it. I beg of you. Look at my age.
Oh, you forgot about that while you were messing around with young girls and getting them laid after being paid a lot of money. But you're a big fool and disappointment to the society. Exactly. That is what you are.
It wasn't me. I did not know.
Exactly, that's what you are.
It's not me.
That is not even all. Some of the young students confessed that you extorted money from them all in the name of wanting to help them. And you must go in for it. I assure you that. So stop talking now! Else I'll force the truth out of you.
Please, I did not. Please, not me that did that. Please,
I see you are not ready to talk. I will force the truth out of your mouth. Officer, get me the plier. Come back. Now stop talking. Now stop talking.
It all started when
you see, right now the only thing holding you in the office that we just finished renovating to change it for. You know, you have very high taste, and I want to take my time to ensure that those chairs come just the way you want it.
Well, I thank you for your commitment, Peter.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. I'm glad you know I have high taste.
Of course, it's obvious.
I need those chairs there. I want the office
I know.
up to taste.
No problem, you have no problem.
Anyway, I will operate from this place for now until it is ready. Once it's ready, then we can move into the place. Well, I've been meaning to ask you.
what is the secret behind this freshness and brother? Honestly, I've been looking at it. Even Professor Matugin and left. You know, come on.
Are you sure you really want to know?
Not.
Well, you see, if I were you, I will use this office, my position, to get what I want from the students. It is what we call code SMS.
Code SMS? Choose code SMS.
You see, Prof, for your hard work, you will educate them. But for your soft work, the students will have to be committed to you financially or otherwise. Yes, whether male or female.
Oh, come on, Peter. So being diplomatic about it. Just come out with it. Come out directly with it. Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. Prof, in this school, we have so many beautiful and young girls parading themselves around. Prof, there are those that are very sound academically, but then there are those that are very weak when it comes to their study. You see, you can use your office as a viable means of becoming richer by influencing those that are weak and make them become strong. And those who think that they are sound academically, you can now make them come to you begging for more grades. More grades. That is called SMS.
You're a variable mixer.
So now you know. You asked and I've answered your question. But don't worry, you will enjoy yourself. I answered you. No problem, sir.
It sounds too good to be true, but attractive enough to say it is better than where I am coming from. My uncompleted house project is there. It's also an opportunity to deliver my wife from that dying car. But can this game work? I need to tread with care. Any mistake will ruin my career. I know. Peter.
Look, Prof, I am very certain that we will solve. I can feel it in my bones. I have done this for other occupants of the seats, Prof.
Peter, you know that the stakes are high. I know that the reward is high, but so are the risks. I have a good career ahead of me. Any mistake will ruin that career.
Prof, see, nobody is asking you to meet the students directly. Allow me be your boy. Let me run this package for you. And you'll be so shocked with the returns I'll come back with.
Peter.
Just give me your blessings and that is all. Bless me, let me bless you if I can return. Prof, you have no trouble at all. So just bless me. Oh God. Oh, damn it. Baby, this is remarkable. Oh, you almost killed me. Oh my God. Oh boy. Oh God, look, let me tell you something. You see, now that you have done this, you've made me happy. All that is remaining is just the 150,000 I've talked about. And you have what you want.
What? But this was not our agreement.
So you need to understand how these things work. I'm not the only one involved in this. There are some persons I need to settle. Look, I made you a promise. I will sneak out your exam papers. I will make corrections. Make sure you have A. And I will sneak it back in. All I'm asking for is just 150,000 and more sex. More bedtime. You are sweet. I'm telling you.
Do you know what you're saying? Some bedtime with 150,000 naira.
Baby, which is more easier? Which is more easier and more riskier? Let me ask you, do you think it's easy for me to sneak into that office and sneak out your files? Make sure you have a good grade and write everything and sneak it back inside for nobody to catch me. And what I'm asking you for, you should know now. Why are you sounding like this?
It's okay, yours. It's okay. I'll oblige to your request, but you have to fulfill your own part.
Look, you don't have any problem. I'm a man of my words. As long as you give me more sex.
What? Please, just...
What is it?
I'm tired.
Can you be tired now? I'm not tired.
I'm tired, please. Don't worry, I'll give you the 150,000 naira.
And more sex, so? Let me allow you to rest. You should have said that now. My waist even need to rest too. You almost killed me. Peter. Hi. Don't worry. Sweetheart. You have your A. It's not A you want. You have A. You have your A's. A plus. And just keep...
Sir, I know I can count on you. I was advised to see you. Like, you're the only one that can help me out of my predicament.
What's that your name again?
Sandra Phillips, sir.
I see. So you mean he gave you an F for missing his exams?
Yeah, he did. I made a short trip. I stayed like a week or something. Then I was supposed to come back the day before the exam. But then I missed my flight.
I see. And you also gave him money. I mean, tip. And he refused the money and he failed you.
Yes, sir, he did.
But you should have known that that man is a very strict man. He doesn't accept bribe from any student. You should have known.
So I don't want outside now. Please help me. You know this is my final year. I can't afford any sleep-ups.
My dear, the very wrong with you. This your case is a very critical one. It's a very serious one. You actually missed an exam. It's not like the usual one that I help people. This one is very hard. It's very hard, and you're a beautiful girl. What do I do now? What do I do? You know what? I will help you. Don't worry, you won't have any slip-ups. Right? If only you can activate code SMS. You don't have any problem.
So at this point, I'm actually ready for anything at all.
That is my girl. The price is just because of the way we've been talking. Because someone else, I will charge her. I will collect 200,000 from you. Because it's you, not because because it's you. Every time I will take more, but because I want to help you. 200,000.
So 200,000 is not a problem. If you will make me fast. This is 100,000. This is another 100,000.
Sharp. I can't believe this. Where have you been all this while? Look, see, he failed you. He gave you, now will give you AAA. You would not fail. But look, you will not fail. I'm assuring you, you will have AAAs.
Sir, even if it's sex you want, I'm available, I'm ready 24/7. Anytime you want it, just call me. Okay? My hotel room is actually free for us, so anytime you want it, just call me.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Where have you been? Where have you... Hey! Peter, you are blessed too. Thank you. Thank you, you have no problem at all. My name is Peter. I've said it, I will do it. Tell your friends about me.
No problem.
Don't worry, you will pass. You will pass. Just go and sleep. Don't worry. So that is it too.
So you've not really told me why you asked me to come visit you in your house.
Ada, look, you're a very beautiful girl. Look, I discovered that 3 of your exam sheets are missing. 3. And I felt it is right if we come home and talk about it.
What? No. 3 of my scripts. But how is it possible?
I am telling you that 3 of your exam booklets are missing. You're telling me how? That means 0. You will not have any score. And when you are in your 100 level, how you begin really matters. And you're not from a very buoyant family. And out of pity, I want to help you. All you will do is have fun with me.
Fun? What kind of fun?
Why are you talking as if you're a baby? Are you a baby? How old are you?
I'm 17.
Girls of 15 years old know this kind of lines where they get it from me. I'm just 17 years old enough. Why are you behaving like a child now? Sweetheart, baby, look, have fun with me. Come, have sex with me.
No.
Let's have sex together.
I'd rather go and see Prof.
Oh, you rather go and see Prof and boycott me? No problem, I will not stop you. Go and see Prof. But be rest assured that going to see Prof, you will need to hold 150,000 naira. And you know you don't have the money. Your family are very poor.
150,000?
Yes.
Well, I don't have up to 10,000.
Well, say the same thing. Your family can barely even feed you in school. We're talking about 100. Look, my love. Look, come to me. Come. Come.
No, please, sir. I can't.
Come. It will take long. I'm telling you, it will not take long. Don't you want to? Look, if you don't do this thing with me now, I'm telling you, that 3 scripts will resurface themselves. Unless I am not Peter. What are you begging me for? Don't you want to pass? Don't want to pass.
Sir, please.
Don't please me. Don't please me. Please, maybe you too, please. I need to help you. You have to pass. You need to pass. Look, Patrick, I understand what you're trying to say, but you have to play by the rules. This is what other students are doing. Look, I want to help you.
Peter, how much will it cost me?
You see, every man has its price. It depends on what you are
How
doing.
much?
100,000 naira.
100 what? No way.
Wait, do you think I'm charging you so much? For crying out now, Patrick, there are two of you involved in this. It is 50,000 naira each. On a very good day, I take 150 of what I'm giving to you for 50,000 naira. Because we kind of know ourselves. Don't be raising your voice and people think we're doing something you don't like it. On a very good day, we kind of know. I'm going to show you something. On a very good day. I had to sneak out from his office. By the time I finish rewriting this, I will put it back out from his office. I know what I'm doing. Me, I want to help you. Me, I want to help you. 100,000 naira is not too much.
Okay.
That was it. Look, my dear, intelligence is not the only thing you need to have a pass mark. There are other variables attached to it. You're a beautiful girl, you should know better.
Sir, I've told you time and time again, there is no way I will sleep with you for any reason, and I will not pay money for marks. Look, I will only give you 20,000 naira you demanded for the prof test. Please.
Let me be very sincere with you. Look, 20,000 naira is not enough. It's not enough.
Please, sir, don't ask for more.
Oh, you think I'm asking for so much?
Yes, you are.
Don't worry. By the time your answer booklet fall in the hands of Professor Johnson, then you will come back to me begging with more money and with sex. By then, I'll be the one telling you no. Don't worry.
Look, you don't scare me with those threats of yours, okay? And now listen, if I have anything less than an A in that course, you're not only going to give me back my money, but you see the other side of me. I mean the very worst side of me. Excuse me.
So you are indirectly threatening me. Hey, someone's a hard nut to crack. What will I do then, Tana? What?
At least this one did well. These students. What's wrong with you?
There is no problem, sir.
Sit down. What is it?
I have missing script, sir.
Missing script? How? Who told you you have a missing script? I'm still marking. I've not even pasted the results of the department. So how can you have a missing script?
It was from the admin department. Mr. Peter told me. He showed me the compiled list of results and I couldn't find any mark against my course 401. I can't afford a spillover, sir.
Listen, you need to stop crying now. You need to stop crying. And why would Peter do such a thing? Or do you have any differences?
I guess because he demanded for sex from me, which I refused. He even said I should give him 20,000 naira, which I did.
Took 20,000 naira from me? For what?
He even showed me a list of other students that he collected 150,000 naira each from, and even slept with them. I had to record the conversation when the threat was too much for me, sir.
What? This is outrageous. 150,000 naira from each student?
Yes, sir.
And he slept and he took 20,000 naira from you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Peter. Peter.
Please, you have to help me. I can't afford this spillover.
It's okay, stop crying now. Stop crying. Just stop crying. Peter. This Peter must think he is smart. He returns 50,000 naira to me. Peter collects 150,000 naira from return students. Oh, he even had sex with them. This Peter must think he is smart. He returns 50,000 naira to me when he collects 150,000 naira from each student. Peter, you have overstepped your boundaries. You have crossed the limit by putting your personal interest first. Oh yes. The whole campus have their eyes on you.
But sir, all these are rumors. Eh? I did not collect such a ridiculous amount of money from any student.
Oh, spare me that excuse. They had you recorded. Your discussion was recorded. Your insatiable sexual desire has put you in trouble. It is now like a disease that has gone viral on campus. And it is a disease that must be flushed out immediately. Listen, I have one instruction for you. You must stop this your intermediary role. Don't go to anybody on my behalf. Don't. And hey, code SMS must stop. Now.
Sir, please. Oh, please.
Listen, if you don't, I may have to penalize you myself. Oh yes, you heard me. I will not repeat myself. Get out of my office.
Sir?
Leave my office now.
Somebody was just trying to help. Eh? Me, you have to leave this school. He doesn't know I have been in this school before he was transferred here. I will make sure he leaves this school. He has to go. Before he cut my only source of food. Eh? Before he cut away that supply from me. No, he doesn't know who I am. I am Peter. As long as I'm in this school, he will not have peace. No.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
Prof, I can't waste my time coming here to tell you this. Your life is at stake. He meant everything he said. I know him very well.
You said he collected 100,000 naira from you.
Yes, he did.
100,000 naira from you. Now tell me, how would you like to have a B in all your courses and still have the 100,000 naira back?
As far as I can until I leave this school.
Good. Good.
That's interesting. So, you're a student of this faculty?
Yes, I am.
Full-time or part-time?
Oh, I'm a part-time student, sir.
Oh, I should have known that. That's why I don't see you around more often.
But I do see you, sir. Whenever I come for lectures in one of the classes, I do see you. Yeah.
Oh, well, so that means you work. I mean, you work. That's why you're doing part-time.
I used to work, sir, but I lost my job recently when the new management that took over insisted on having graduate staffs only. That motivated me to upgrade myself.
Well, that's a good idea.
Thank you.
You know, so how are you coping?
It's not been easy, sir, but I do cope. Now I'm coping with the little I was able to save while I was working.
Well, I think you came in at the right time. I may have to find a job for you in my faculty. When I get to my new office, I'll be needing an admin staff to replace the one I had before. So, you have an opportunity.
I do have a job.
At least that will help you put a lot of things together.
Thank you so much, sir. It's unbelievable. Thank you so much.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. I think it should be ready by next week because they're doing some renovations in the new office, and you'll resume next week.
Okay. Oh my God. Thank you. You know what this means to me. I'm grateful. Let me take my name now. Next week. God bless you, sir. Have a nice day.
You too. She is beautiful.
Oh, it's nice of you. Honestly, Oni, I don't know what has become of students these days. They hardly pass exams. I'm having a hard time marking their tests. Look at the simple question I gave to them. They can't even answer the questions. Oh.
Well, honey, what do you think is the major cause of this negative trend?
Too many factors. Just too many factors. But the worst is that they're never attentive in class. And of course, how can they be when they're always clubbing and culting and their quest for money? Well, it's over the top.
The authorities have to do something about this.
My dear wife, the best I can do is to bring it up in our next meeting. But honestly, the trend is alarming.
That reminds me. Honey, there's this girl in our choir. I want you to help her get admission into school. Please.
My wife, I'm picking up the needy. I don't know what to call you. Mother Christmas? Okay, ask her to come to the office too.
Thank you.
Alright. Sweetheart, I hope she made the jam cut-off mark.
I think she said something like that. I'll find out.
Okay.
Sir, my name is Tonya. My wife sent me to you regarding my admission.
Oh, I see. You're the young lady from the church.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit down, sit down.
Thank you very much.
Tonya, did you make the jam cut-off mark?
Yes, I did, sir. It's the school's internal exams I'm having issues with.
Anyway, that's not a problem. But it's not something we can discuss and conclude here. You will meet me at Camps and James Hotel, 7 p.m. tonight.
Hotel, 7 p.m., sir.
Yes. Do you have a problem with that?
No, no, sir. No, sir.
Great. Camps and Gems, 7 p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
All right. My sweet Tony. You're a wise girl to have come. See, I like girls like you who are determined to achieve their goals. Anyway, the guy who treats your type of case charges. But there is another way out. If I have to give you my quota, then the charges are different. Well, it's just a bunch of...
Sir, you can't stay in the church, sir.
Who is going to tell the church we're here tonight?
Sir, we're family friends. But you know,
Does that change the fact that we remain family friends? No. Come on. Yeah.
sir, your wife is my godmother. If she finds out about this, she's really going to feel heartbroken.
Who is going to tell my wife about this? You? Listen, whatever we do here together stays here with us. If you don't tell my wife about it, she doesn't get to know about it. And it doesn't hurt her. Come on, Tina. You're not a child.
Sir, I have sought for admission for 3 years to no avail. Sir, please, I need you to promise me that with you this time, sir, it is done.
Read my lips. It is done.
Thank you, sir.
So come. That's my baby. Yeah. Come on. That's it.
Thank you very much again. I'm really very grateful for how you helped me with my mission to your husband. Thank you so much.
It's okay. You've thanked me enough. It's okay. Yeah? It's okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'll be going now, ma'am. Good day, sir.
What are you doing here?
She came to say thank you for the help we offered her.
Oh, okay. She's a smart girl.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks. I'll be going now, sir.
Okay.
Darling. Una is a very good girl.
Oh, yes. She's a very smart girl. I'm even thinking of using her to replace Becky. Becky's very lazy.
I'm happy to hear that.
Sir, these are the documents.
What's this? What rubbish is this? After all the corrections I made, you couldn't even effect the corrections? You are just good for nothing. Ordinary exams you couldn't even pass. From diploma to main course. And you work in this office. Huh? What's wrong? I will soon do away with you from this office. Listen, I was the one who personally employed you in this office. And I know how much I'm paying you.
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the mistake. I'm going to correct it, sir. I'm extremely grateful you gave me this job. Please, don't take it away from me. I need your help, please.
You help yourself. You know what to do to help yourself, but you have blatantly refused to cooperate with me. All I hear from you is, I have a fiance. I have a fiance. I'm going to get married. I don't know what to do. I'm engaged. Very soon, you will bring that your fiance to write your exams and let's see how it's going to pass. Get out of my office. Come on. I'm correct that.
I'm so sorry, sir. But I'm telling you the truth. I do have
Oh, shut your mouth. Shut up. I don't want to hear it again. Let me tell you something. If you do not go with me to that hotel, you will get your fiance to employ you and pay you what I am paying you. Now get out of my office.
Sorry.
Come again.
Sir?
I repeat again. If you don't go to that hotel with me like I have always insisted, you will get your fiance to pay you. I said get out of my office. Pretender. Use what you have to get what you want.
Becky, stop crying and open up to Allah on what is happening to you. I am very sure He will find a solution to the problem.
Faith, there is no use because Allah cannot fight this scourge all by himself. This is an institutional problem. Just that I have never seen or heard of the magnitude this Professor Johnson has taken it to. He targets every level. Entry level, part-time, even staff.
Becky, that is the main reason you must open up to your brother. Let him know what you are passing through. He may be able to help you out of the problem.
I know. I am so helpless. Anything I do will affect me. It will affect me. I'm so confused.
It's okay.
This is so not fair. What am I going to do?
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Doesn't let that bother you.
I can't stop. It's bothering me.
Stop. Alright? Let it bother you.
This was the same prof who frustrated me out of the university. Because I refused to yield to his request. That day I was going back, I swore I would get back at him. Now it is my fiancé. It will never happen. This will never happen.
Babe.
Sorry.
What is wrong with you?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine. Come on. Let's watch the program, okay? I'm fine.
Okay.
So, who is our young banker lady going to leave all our money in the bank for when she's gone on course to London?
Sir, I need your permission.
Permission? Dora, you know that all my tests, assignments, coursework must be put together with your exams for you to pass my papers. Anyway, you're a smart girl. You know what to do if you want to go to London.
Professor, you know I am not a child.
Cam's Hotel, 8 p.m. I'll be waiting.
Okay. 8 p.m.
Listen, you can do this. Stop pretending. Wow. This is lovely. You sure do have eyes for good things. Ooh, this is great. Thank you so much. Woo. And this? You're a diamond. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh, I do like it.
Anything for you, Professor. Of course.
Anything?
Not here.
Why not? This is my office.
We can't do this in this office.
That's the reason I love this. It's going to serve its purpose. I've been waiting for this all this while.
Oh my God, Professor!
Idiot! What are you doing here?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oh, damn.
Please, sir. I beg you, sir. Please. Do not relieve me of my job. Please, sir. I didn't mean to barge in on you. It was unintentional.
Hey! Hey! Does it look like I care about these your tears? Hey, let me tell you something. You refuse to cooperate with me. And you wouldn't allow those who are willing to cooperate do their thing. No! Badger!
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
Get out of my office!
Please, I beg you.
Get out of my office!
I'm the breadwinner of my family. They need me. I need this job.
Who gives a damn? Get out of my office!
Please, don't be mean to me, please. Don't be mean to me, please.
Get out of my office! Stupid thing.
It won't make sense.
Get out! Idiot! She won't give. She won't allow others give.
Know what time it is now?
Honey, I've had a lot of work on the table these days. You know, I take MBA classes and then they have added all the extra part-time classes too. It's not like it was before. I'm now a full-time professor and that means more work.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That will explain this.
Where did you get that from?
I found them in your suit pocket when you returned from work yesterday.
Oh, you did? I actually forgot I left them in my suit pocket.
That is not an answer.
Come on, honey. Don't tell me you're suspecting me. Because if you do, I will really be disappointed. I got them from the students who were making out behind the classroom yesterday.
What do you mean?
Honey, I just told you I got them from some of those students who were making out behind the class yesterday. And when I caught them, I sent them to the appropriate authorities for discipline. These students, this is why they're not passing. Just throw that away.
Sir, that's your wife. Is that...
Stop. She saw the camera, she doesn't know who is in it.
Oh, she didn't see me.
That's okay. We are clear now.
Oh my God. Sir, are you sure she didn't see us?
She didn't. Hello, beauty. Oh, where are you going? Can I take you?
No, sir. I'm just going home with my brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't matter. Both of you can come in.
Okay. Well, we're just going home here, but since you insist, no problem.
Okay. Come in. Well, my name is Professor Johnson. May I know you?
Well, my name is Tony, and my kid sister, Florence.
Oh, Florence and Tony. What lovely names. Listen, I don't mean to be too forward, but the weather is really hot, and I think we should stop for a drink somewhere. And that's if you're not in a hurry to go.
Well, we're actually not in a hurry, just going home. Sis, what do you think?
Brother, there is no problem.
Okay, so let's just go and have one or two.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's go.
Well, I don't know what has become of the weather these days.
The weather is so hot.
Very hot.
So hot.
Well, that's why I said we should take a drink.
Thank you.
God, yeah.
You didn't saved all the stress of standing under the sun there.
Yes, especially because of the young lady, you know. A pretty young lady like that cannot just stand under the sun. Alright.
So you're done for the day, right?
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I just want to do one or two things. It's okay. Well, are you one of us on campus?
No, Prof. I'm not a student. It's my sister. I'm an engineer, project coordinator for the rural waterways.
Oh, really?
And I'm so glad to meet you, Prof. I think this meeting is ordained by God in heaven. Prof, I want to ask for a very important favor from you.
Favor? Well, it depends on the kind of favor you want me to give to you, but if it's within my jurisdiction, why not? I will oblige.
Well, Prof, my sister here, for the past 3 years, has been trying to gain admission into the university.
Oh.
So, Prof, I don't know if you can actually use your office to assist her. I mean, I'll be very glad, I'll be very happy to see my sister succeed.
Anyway, nobody would like such a pretty girl to stay at home and just waste. She has the right qualifications, why not? I'd always oblige her. So, like I said, you've not asked her this, so just ask her to come and see me tomorrow, 7 p.m.
Oh, sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm glad. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prof. Thank you. Thank
well,
you so
cheers.
much. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, sis.
Cheers again. Oh, you didn't cheers me well.
Just follow the instructions I've given to you, okay?
Okay, brother. I understand very well. But brother, please, need you go in time. I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared. Okay? You have to watch your back. Just make sure you have your brown shirt on before you go. Alright?
Okay. I have it here already.
Oh, really? In bed?
Yes.
Wow. I'm here. So bring it on.
I want to give you a show.
Ooh, she wants to give me a show.
Don't worry.
Go ahead. What? What do you want? Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. No. Please. Florence, please beg your brother. Delete those pictures, please. I beg of you, please.
A fool, Professor. A fool. Not Tony. She's not Florence either. She's such a fool. Your cup is filled, Professor.
Wherever you are, please. I beg of you. Delete those pictures. Save me from this embarrassment, please. My profession. My family. Please. My reputation. I beg of you, please. I will do anything. Please.
Professor Johnson, talk about reputation. Do you have any? You know about all your escapades in school? All of them. You forcefully slept with the jam-eyed girls before processing the admission into the school. About all of them, Professor. Interesting one, Professor. Cheating on your own very wife.
Not my wife, please. I beg of you, please. Not my wife.
I think your wife will be very interested to hear about this.
My family out of me.
Brother, look at him. He's crying. Please, let's give him a memory card. Then we can give him our condition.
Conditions, please.
Well then, Professor. Only going to give you... Keep quiet, Professor. I'm only going to give you this memory card on one condition.
Please, just condition, please.
Promise to stop harassing innocent girls in the institution. Collecting money from them either for marks, admission or whatever. Promise.
I will write it.
Very well then. One very last thing. I'm a man of my word. I will hold you by your word.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, one more thing. One very last. I forgot something. Back up, sir. Just easy for me. Have a nice day, Professor.
My life. That was how I found myself here. You can discuss this here. Man, I'm begging you, discuss this.
It is too late to cry.
Oh, please, my wife.
Professor, or whatever you are called. I am not going to ruin your life, as you can see. You have ruined your life and your career by yourself. As it is now, we are taking you to face your school senate students at large. You will have to face them.
If you want me to do that, I will do that for you, please. Not the school senate, not the school. Please, my career, I want her to this professorship. Not the school. I beg of you. Please, my career. Please, come here.
Breaking news. Professor Johnson of the Federal University of Technology has been arrested for sexual harassment and attempted rape of female students. His appointment has also been terminated following reports and evidence affirming his illegal deals in the school. In a related development, two students, Tonya Belloon and Ben Silas, who were fraudulently admitted by the professor, have also been fished out and subsequently rusticated. Information reaching our studios revealed that one Miss Dora Morgan of African Trade Investment Bank has also been relieved of her job following the professor's